Welcome back to Life Hack Central, the hub of transformative tidbits for your daily life. Have you ever found yourself perfectly comfy in bed, only to be ambushed by a sudden, strong urge for snacks? We all have. But the real question is, why do these midnight cravings interrupt, especially when we're committed to health? Today, we're not just exploring this enigma, but also equipping you with tactics to triumph over these nocturnal nauseas. Greetings to our cherished subscribers and a warm welcome to those joining us for the first time. Picture this, it's midnight. All's calm, but there's a voice inside nudging you towards that hidden chocolate or those crunchy chips. The battle against the midnight munchies is real, and today, we chart out a master plan. Secret number 1, unmasking the adversary. Our bodies, with their intricate designs, operate on the circadian rhythm. Meant to rejuvenate at night, not feast. Yet, binge-watching and digital distractions confuse this internal timetable. And what do we get? A full-blown snack assault. It's a bit like surprise pop quizzes. You either prep in advance or find yourself frantically flipping pages at midnight. Secret number 2, a hearty day keeps cravings at bay. Initiating your day with a robust breakfast is akin to setting a firm foundation. Load up on proteins and fibers early, and you're safeguarding against potential late-night snack sieges. Quick jest, as exhilarating as they may be, back-to-back coffees don't quite count as a hearty start. Sorry to all the caffeine crusaders out there. Secret number 3, the liquid shield before you yield to that enticing snack siren. Pause and hydrate. Sometimes our bodies, in their quirky ways, mistake thirst for hunger. Kind of like looking for your phone while you're talking on it. Secret number 4, snack with intention. There will be times when snacking isn't just an urge, but a genuine need. And that's okay. The trick? Choose foods that nurture rather than just satiate momentarily. Picture this, ever tried watching an emotional movie climax on mute? It loses its essence, right? Similarly, eat mindfully. Relish every texture and taste. Secret number 5, sleep. The silent guardian. Sleep isn't merely rest. It's your body's primary defense line. Shortchange on sleep, and the hunger hormone, ghrelin, goes rogue, beckoning you towards the fridge. The remedy? Quality sleep. Consider a calming pre-bed ritual to help transition into slumber. Secret number 6, distract and conquer. When cravings strike, sometimes the best defense is a good distraction. Engage in an activity that shifts your focus. A quick puzzle, a chapter of a book, or even some light stretching can divert your mind, giving the craving time to pass. Now, for the grand revelation. The visualization valor. Harness this potent tool when cravings beckon. Envision the snack. Now, imagine it clashing with a healthier alternative in your mind's grand arena. Witness the wholesome choice emerge victorious. Before we conclude, a gentle reminder, if today's insights resonated with you, take a moment to subscribe. Join our ever-growing family and be the first to unlock powerful life hacks. Also, explore our previous videos on enhancing phone longevity and motivational study hacks. Lastly, what's your secret sauce to vanquish midnight cravings? Share your wisdom in the comments. Here's a parting thought that is conquering cravings isn't about stringent denial but making enlightened, empowered choices. And hey, if all else wavers, there's the trusty fridge lock. Just a cheeky suggestion. Keep shining, snack smart, and until our next insightful gathering, remember, you've got the hacks to conquer.